Today we got a beautiful blue California sky at this end. Not so much over here. We got a fire going on. So you can hear the helicopter in the background. I'm trying to see if I can catch him, take a scoop of water from the beautiful ocean here. Let's see what happens. Coming right up now. Engine's really laboring to carry the weight. Really hear it. Nice, he's gonna pick up right here. Nice. Oh, the wire, he's gonna watch that wire, that cable hanging down probably.
Well, I'm sure he knows that. If he doesn't know that, then he should not be flying.